Now, yes, children, how you have to do this. Now, this is simple hydrogenation. So, your product is CH3, CH3, that is ethane. You need to name the product. Then ethyl chloride, if it is subjected to sodium and dry ether, that is Wood's reaction, you will get CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3, that is butane. It will become double the number of carbon atoms. Then this is subjected to beta elimination. The product is alkene. Now this is subjected to hydrogenation. The product is ethane. Okay. So आपका A, B, C हो गया. Now this is a very interesting question. Ethanol is subjected to dehydration. So your A is CH2 double bond CH2. When this is hydrogenated, you will get ethane, right? Okay. Now ethene, it can also be obtained from G on treatment with zinc dust. You have studied now vicinal dihalide will give you alkene. So here this would be CH2Cl single bond CH2Cl. So this is your G. Okay. Now this B, that is ethane, can also be obtained from C. Now this C, what it should be? C on treatment with sodium and dry ether is giving you ethane. So what should it be? Sodium and dry ether कहाँ पे यूज़ होता है? RX के साथ यूज़ होता है. तो अगर इसमें 2 कार्बन एटम्स है, this should be CH3Cl. This on treatment with sodium and dry ether you will get ethane. Now इसको, if you are subjected to hydrogenation, you will get methane. You have studied under preparation of alkanes. Revise karo. Now this CH4 can also be obtained from E by soda lime treatment. This is single carbon. So which is used here? E should be sodium salt of acid. सोडा लाइम ट्रीटमेंट किसके साथ पढ़ा आपने? RCOO Na के साथ. तो इसमें अगर सिंगल कार्बन है, that means you would have used CH3COO Na. That on soda lime treatment will give you methane. Now the same sodium acetate, how will it give you ethane? If you subject it to soda lime, you will get methane. If you subject it to Kolb's electrolysis, then the CH3 gets doubled. We have seen it. So you will get ethane. Okay. So this is called conversion. This is how you have to practice organic chemistry. बहुत मज़ा आएगा. बस थोड़ा सा इंटरेस्ट लेके करना पड़ेगा आपको. But if you start practicing, you will really enjoy. Right? Okay. Now A on treatment with alcoholic KOH is giving you this. Okay. So what should be this? It should be CH3, CHCl, CH2, CH3. इसी में ये मेजर प्रोडक्ट ये बनेगा. अब इसको हाइड्रोजनेट करोगे, you will get CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. Alkane बन जाएगा. Alkene will become alkane. Now, this on treatment with sodium and dry ether is giving you A. So what it should be, you put it like this so that you can understand easily. CHCl, CH3 plus 2Na plus another molecule of the same kind. This is what is Wood's reaction, is it not? तो NaCl चला जाएगा, तो आपका प्रोडक्ट जो है ये और ये ब्रांच है. So you'll have CH3, CH, CH3, then CH, then CH3, then CH3. This is your product. Okay, try to understand and do it. Okay, now this is again another very interesting question. C4H9Cl on treatment with sodium and dry ether, it has to give you 2,5-dimethylhexane. Now 2,5-dimethylhexane कैसे लिखोगे? 1 2 3 4 5 6, 2 पे एक मिथाइल है और 5 पे एक मिथाइल है. ठीक है? So this is the alkane you are getting. Now you are treating it with sodium and dry ether. What you know? Rx plus 2Na plus another Rx will give you RR. ये पढ़ा था आपने, है ना? तो NaX रिमूव करने से R और R जुड़ गया. ठीक है? Now here what you have to understand, this is one R and this is another R. ठीक है? इसका मतलब इसके साथ एक Cl था, इसके साथ एक Cl था, जो दो Na के साथ NaCl बन के निकल गया और ये दोनों कार्बन जुड़ गए. Initially it was CH2Cl, this was CH2Cl. That means 2-methyl chloropropane, 2-methyl chloropropane था, जिसको सोडियम एंड ड्राई ईथर के साथ ट्रीट करने से NaCl चला गया और ये दोनों कार्बन जिस Cl को जो होल्ड कर रहा था वो दोनों जुड़ गए. ठीक है? So you will get this. So this is how you have to understand organic chemistry. Okay? Right.